In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and customize an image in your slide presentation. With these simple steps, you'll be able to enhance your slides, making them more visually appealing and effective. So, let's dive right in. First, it's all about choosing the right image and getting it into your slide. Once you've selected an image that suits the content and tone of your presentation, go ahead and insert it into your slide. This is straightforward, but getting the image just right involves a few more steps that I'll walk you through. After your image is placed on the slide, you'll want to click on it so that it's selected. This step is essential as it opens up a variety of formatting options that you can take advantage of. Once your image is highlighted, you want to head over to the Format menu at the top of your screen. Alternatively, you can simply right-click on the image and select Format Options from the drop-down menu that appears. Both methods will bring up the Format Options panel, which is where the actual customization magic happens. In this Format Options panel, you'll find several sections designed to help you modify your image to better suit your needs. Two sections that are particularly helpful are Recolor and Adjustments. Let's start with Recolor. This feature offers preset color filters that can dramatically change your image's appearance. Whether you're aiming for a subtle hue change or a more dramatic effect, these filters make altering the look of your image quick and easy. Next, let's move on to Adjustments, which offers sliders for several aspects of your image's appearance. These adjustments give you precise control over the image's transparency, brightness, and contrast, allowing you to fine-tune to perfection. The Transparency slider lets you decide how see-through your image should appear. This is especially useful if you want to layer text or other elements over the image without obscuring them completely. Brightness is your go-to for either lightening or darkening the image, depending on how you want it to complement the rest of your slide. Finally, the Contrast slider helps to define the intensity between light and dark areas in your image, which can make certain details stand out more. Just remember, if at any point you feel that you've strayed too far from the original or you simply want to start over, there's a simple way to return to the starting point. Just reselect the image, head back to Format Options, and choose Reset Image. This will bring you back to the image's original settings, allowing you to start fresh with your adjustments. And there you have it. With these steps, you can effortlessly insert and adjust images in your slides to create a dynamic and engaging presentation. Thanks for tuning in, and happy presenting.